This weekend's astrology is so good. It's gloriously good. I'll go through day by day in a minute, but let me give you a couple of quick themes for this weekend's astrology. One, it's grace bombs. It's benevolent. It's spiritual awakening, but in a grounded, embodied way. It's glorious. It's expect the unexpected, surprises, good luck charm, right? Jupiter Uranus conjunction. This is the thing we've been talking about all year. It's the biggest event, the most grace-filled event of 2024. It's glorious. It's happening Saturday night, at least here in the States. It's happening Saturday night. Friday, we have Venus talking to Mercury. Mercury's messenger of the gods. He wants to deliver messages from the heart. He's in a retrograde. So what he's doing is he's being spiritual messenger. But when he conjuncts Venus, he's saying, here is what I'd like for you to comprehend around love, around your feminine. These are the things that I want you to see and understand. Let the heart communicate on Friday. With Taurus, so the sun moves into Taurus on Friday as well. That's really Venusian. That could feel like a release valve. So we want to be in our bodies, sensual. We want to slow down, get a little bit earthy, make a little bit of love, right? Venus is talking to Mercury, the heart, our sensuality. With the sun, our primary part of self, our outward expression of self, going into Taurus. That's just glorious. That's like feel good. And we all need a little bit of feel good, I think, after all of this eclipse, shake up to wake up stuff, the detoxing, the purifying, the purging we all been doing, right? Now it's a time of starting to celebrate and starting to see the aha moments coming. Mercury is delivering, right? He is at the last couple of days of his retrograde, and now he's delivering the aha moments. All right, so then Saturday is the big Jupiter Uranus grace bomb. I mean, this is like body wisdom activation. This is embodied awakening. It is waking up to your gifts and your magic, right? Your like esoteric spiritual gifts are able to come online. Kundalini awakening, that's Uranus. Like high level spiritual awakener, revolutionary, new, all this new earth, new human, new you, moving into 5D, moving into higher states of consciousness in an embodied way. It's in Taurus, so it's very embodied. So body wisdom, right? We want to think in the body. That sun going into Taurus is super helpful, right? Venus talking to Mercury, super helpful because that's Taurian. Venus, Taurian. That's like her home. So feeling into that, let your sensuality be a part of this Jupiter Uranus conjunction. That's kind of the key. That's what's going to help ground it. Let your feminine be a part of it. Let your sensuality be a part of it. Let your body be a part of it, right? That's the gift. That's the magic to the grounding it. That's what's going to bring it into your lives. It's going to anchor it in. We have this opportunity to like anchor it in, ground it in, to become it and to bring it through out into our lives. Like, who doesn't want the magic in our lives, the capacity to make our lives change because of this? Not just like experience bliss and joy for a minute, right? In the Jupiter Uranus conjunction. So if there's anything I can share with you around this, it's to get in the body. Get in the body this weekend. Be in the body. If you don't know how to get in the body or you don't have good ways, you want to try something new, try our body wisdom activation. It's $47. Body wisdom activation. Do that on the Jupiter Uranus conjunction or anytime this weekend, right? Anytime this weekend in this energy. I know a lot of you already have that workshop. Go into it. It will be like it's never been before. If you don't want to do something in that way, find something else that really helps you to activate your own body wisdom, activate the Kundalini within, activate the sacred energies within, life force energy, right? But in the body, let this be like grounded, earthy, feminine. There's really good aspects to some of the dark goddesses, which is like helping us to go into more of the deeper, more sacred feminine places that help us to ground it in. Really help us to ground it in and to bring it into the body. On Sunday, really quick wrap up, Sunday, the sun squares Pluto. So now we're starting to get deep. Like this is deep. This is the god of the underworld. It's starting to get deep. We got Chiron conjuncting Mercury. right? So now Mercury, who was just delivering messages from the heart, now he's going to deliver messages from the shaman. Right? Chiron is the shaman, the inner initiator. These are the challenges I gave you in life to initiate you into your wisdom. Yeah, isn't that beautiful? Isn't that glorious and beautiful? So feeling into that, again, shaman, Chiron, that's the body. He's not other than the body. So again, this is pointing to get into the depths, get into the body, right? Bring that magic in and through into your life. It's powerful. It's beautiful. It's stunning. Go for it. Be open to the signs and the synchronicities this weekend. Let the universe talk to you, right? It's big magic, but don't, here's the warning. Don't let yourself fly off, right? Like fly off. Don't fly off. Bring it in. Bring the grace in. Bring the big high level voltage spirituality into the body, through the body. Like bring it in through lovemaking. Bring it in through what you're creating. Bring it into your work. Bring it into your home. Bring it into your relationships. Like, we have this amazing opportunity to actually ground it and ripple it out into our lives. Ripple it out into our lives. So feel into whatever serves for you to help ripple that out into your life. If you want to do body wisdom activation, type body wisdom below. I'll shoot you a link to it. You can feel into it, right? There's a little video there. Feel into it if it's for you. Dive in. Do it 8 times this weekend, right? Just keep going, keep going, keep going. Ground it. Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. Ripple it out into my life. Ripple it out into my life. Ripple it out into my life. The whole of my life. I want to infuse with this sacred energy. I want to infuse with this new earth energy. I want to infuse with these higher states of love and consciousness, right? Because we all have that capability. This isn't just some magical unicorns out there can do it. You are a magical unicorn. Yeah, I know, right? Sometimes we forget. You forget you got your wings. You forget you got the lightning bolt. I don't know, a friend gave me this hat. Isn't it fucking great? It's so great. It's so Uranian Taurus. I love this hat. It's glorious. I've never worn this in a video until today, right? That's Uranus Taurus conjunction magic. Bring it in. I don't know. If y'all feel like sharing in the comments, I love hearing from you. I love being with you. I love doing this stuff with you. It's so great. It's so beautiful. I don't know. Just have the most amazing weekend. Have the most amazing weekend.